Hello dear students, welcome back to my class. Today we will learn small letter formation. In previous video we have already learned A to H formation. Now we learn I formation. Now firstly how to write small I. In middle two line we write small I in middle two lines. Now make a straight line and dot. Make a straight line, dot. Make a straight line and dot. Make a straight line and dot. Make a straight line, one dot. Make a straight line, dot. This is small I. Small I have to write one straight line, then dot. Now I after J. How to write small j? Small j downward three line. Now blue line to red line. Straight line, then turn and dot. Straight line, then turn and dot. Straight line, then turn and dot. Straight line, then turn, make a dot. Straight line, then turn, make a dot. Straight line, then turn, dot. This is small j. Small j we make downside three line. Okay. Now I j after small k. Small k write in small k write in red line to blue line and upside three lines. Okay. Now make a straight line, then one slant line and one more slant line. This is small k. Now this k is wrong, so I will write again. Make a straight line, one slanting line and one more slanting line. Make a straight line, one slant line and one more slant line. Make a straight line, one slant line and one more slant line. This k is also wrong, so I erase it. Now again small straight line, slant line and one more slant line. Make a straight line, one slant line and one another slant line. Make a straight line, slant line and this is small k. Small k upside red line to blue line. K after L. How to write small l? Small l write in three line. Okay. And very simple small a. Now put your pencil on red line and make straight line. Straight line. This is small l. Now which one is my wrong? This is wrong and this is wrong. So I erase and again. Okay, put your pencil on red line and make a straight line. This is L. Make a one straight line. This is small l. Small l after small m. Small m always write in middle two line. Now write small m. 1, make a straight line, then up, turn, and one more turn. This is small m. Make a straight line, again up, then turn, again up, then turn. This is small m. Make a one straight line, again up, then turn, again up, then turn. Straight line. Make a straight line, again up, then turn, again up, then turn. This is small m. And small m write, don't remove your pencil. Okay, now small m after small n. How to write small n? Small n write in middle two line. Okay, now write small m. Small n. First, we make small n always write in middle two line. Firstly, we make one straight line, again up, then turn. This is small n. One straight line, again up, then turn. Now this is wrong, so I write again. One straight line, again up, then turn. Straight line, again up, then turn. Straight line, up, and turn. This is small n. Small n after small o. How to write small o? Small o is very easy. We write small o in middle two line. Now this is small o. Okay, this is wrong. So we write again. Small o. Small o. Small o. Small o. Small o. Now this is small o. Small o after small p. How to write small p? Small p always write in downside three lines. Okay. Small p always write in downwards three line. Now, okay. Now put your pencil on blue line. Make a straight line. Again up, then curve. This is small p. Straight line, again up, then curve. Now straight line, again up, then turn. Straight line, again up, then turn. This is small p. Small p, you write small p, don't remove your pencil. Okay. Now small p after small q. Small q always write in downside three lines. Firstly, we make three lines. Now this is downwards three line and we write small q. Now firstly, put your pencil on blue line, then C for cat, up, down, turn. C for cat, up, down, turn. This is wrong, so I will write again. C for cat, up, down, turn. 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 This is small q. Small q after small r. And small r write in middle two line. Firstly, we make two line middle. Then write small r. Okay. Now put your pencil on blue line. Make a straight line. again up and small turn. Now this is wrong, so I will write again. Now make a straight line, again up and small turn. Make a straight line, again up and small turn. Make a straight line, again up, then small turn. Make a straight line, again up, then small turn. Make a straight line, again up and small turn. This is small r. And I write small r. Can I remove my pencil? क्या मैंने अपनी पेंसिल उठाई? नो. तो आप भी जब स्मॉल आर लिखेंगे तो हमारी पेंसिल रिमूव नहीं करना है. ओके. नाउ ओके, यू प्रैक्टिस एट योर होम. बाय बाय. थैंक यू.